Hello, we are again in Luxor and we have another team here. Where are you from and what are your names?
We are from the University of Bucharest. My name is Bogdan.
And I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you. How did you come here? How has it been? What are the first impressions?
Yeah, so we arrived yesterday. Yesterday night, we flew from Bucharest to Madrid, and then from Madrid to Luxor. It was quite a long trip.
Yeah, it's very weird.
Yes.
It's a very
Yeah, it's very weird. Yeah, we also got a lot of surprises because our other teammate got sick, and now it's just the two of us.
So you only have two of us.
Yes.
Okay. So how are you gonna have to adjust? What is gonna change when it's only two of you?
I guess
The communication between us.
yeah, the communication I think will be a little limited. I guess.
Because one person would implement and the other would think about other problems, and only at the end of the contest, when we'll do like the harder problems, we'll think together and try to solve it after that.
Do you have any specific roles, like one person does only this, or like one person is mostly coding, one person is thinking, or do you mostly do all the same things?
I think we will do almost the same things.
Yeah,
Like we have some preferences for problems, but other than that, yeah.
Yeah, we are balanced. Like each of us is balanced, but we have favorite topics or favorite types of problems.
Okay. Talking about favorite types of problems, let's play a little game. Now we'll have this whiteboard where you will have it, yeah. And please write the university or like team name at the top. At the top, yeah, just the university at the top. And then write your names in the two columns. One name in one column, the other name in the other column.
Of Bucharest. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so you have this whiteboard. So you said you have preferences for topics. So now we are gonna try to figure out if you have a problem of some topic, who is gonna solve it on your team. So you're gonna have 12 different topics. I'm gonna give them one by one,
Okay.
and each of you can only have six.
Okay.
So you can put it in either column, but you only have six for one person.
Okay.
Okay, and we have more than 12 here, so I'll just put them randomly, like the real contest. Okay, so the first topics we have is divide and conquer. Yeah, can you make so that it's
Okay.
if you hold it this way, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now you can put them. You can hold it. One of you holds it, and you can put it.
So,
So,
in the last virtual contest, the divide and conquer problem, I give it to you. So I think it's
Yes, thank you.
yes.
Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is geometry.
Geometry. I think
That's a very
goes to me.
that's a very common topic in the ICPC advice. Okay, the next one is brute force.
Daniel. Good. Okay.
The next one is dynamic programming.
Yeah, me.
Daniel.
Me.
Daniel. Yes.
And the next one is graph theory.
You like graph properties.
Yes, I
You study them. So I guess it's you. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is gonna be implementation.
Daniel.
Okay.
Okay, Daniel. Yes.
The next one is game.
Daniel goes to
Yes,
you.
me.
I'm bad at game theory.
You can just
How could I? Yeah.
okay, just put them one on one.
Okay.
Okay. The eighth one is interact.
Interactive.
We haven't had a lot of interactive problems in the world finals, but there could be.
Yeah.
Alexandra, like this.
Yes,
we-
our
yeah.
other teammate like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
But now you have to choose for one.
Yes, yes, you are helping us decide these things now. Um,
I think it will go to me.
yeah, you need more. Yeah, more subjects here.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, you have four more, and you have six for each. So yeah, going well. Greedy.
Um,
I'm bad at greedies.
Yeah,
I can't figure
yes.
them out. Okay, good.
Yes.
The next one is data structures.
Mm. Mm. I love data structures.
Yes. Yeah.
It
We
will go
both
to me.
like, but you like them.
I can put it for you. Okay, doesn't. Okay, it's fine. Okay. So we have the last two, flows and matching.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Flows and
solved
matching.
them.
Yes.
Yes.
Let me see.
Yes.
I think which is for me.
Okay.
It's for me. Yeah.
And now you have the last topic, which is absolutely random, math.
Definitely to him.
I feel like there's a pattern between this. Yeah.
So, okay, that's it. How do you think you did? Do you like this pick?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's accurate. Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
it's pretty accurate. Yeah.
Yes.
I hope it all works out for you, and you can solve all 12 problems.
Yes.
Or like how many we have.
Yeah.
Good luck at the competition.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, we are still in Luxor in front of the ICPC registration area, and we have another already registered team in the ICPC World Finals t-shirts. Where are you from, guys, and what are your names?
Hello, we're from Russia, Moscow, and I am Selat Nagibin.
I'm Evtiev Tikhon.
Denis Mustafin.
We are from Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology. So
Have you just arrived here, or did you arrive before?
we arrived 2 days ago, I guess. Yeah, and we already explored the city quite a bit.
So you went to the city for the excursion. Was it like self-excursion, or did you have any tour?
Yeah, we just walked around, see, see stuff.
Yeah, we saw that there is a stage which is being built apparently for ICPC. Yep, and
It's got some spoilers.
yep.
Okay, but what stage is gonna be? We don't know. What event is gonna be there? I guess we'll see.
Probably closing, since the opening is, or when is the opening?
Maybe opening ceremony
Maybe opening
as well.
still, yes.
Maybe closing.
I guess we will know very soon. How do you like the weather here?
Oh, I
very
thought,
hot.
yeah, I thought it would be hotter.
Yeah,
I think it's quite good.
yeah, it's quite hard, but we can live here. It's okay.
So you can live here. You can stay here after contest if you want. What about the contest itself? How prepared do you feel? How like pumped up you are?
Well, for the last week, we wrote the previous finals, and before we just trained regularly around 3 times a week.
So I guess we're quite prepared. I don't know. Maybe we will see after the results.
Okay. Do you have any hopes for the what kinds of hopes do you have for the results?
First place, of course.
Yeah, we are very ambitious.
I love to hear that. Of course, that's the right goal you have to set yourself. I know that. All right. In your team, do you split the topics of problems you solve in any way, or like everyone solves everything? Like what kind of roles do you have?
Well, we've trained quite a lot, and a lot of tasks one can read and then understand who is better suited for this task. So in general, we split most of the tasks, but some of the simple tasks, of course, everyone can solve.
Sounds good. So, what topics of problems do you think are the easiest? Like, what do you think? Basically, the question is gonna be, um, yeah. We have cards. Yeah. Okay, we have some cards here. You can look through them. You have many cards here. Okay. And then basically the question is, which types do you think are the hardest or and the easiest in the past 10 World Finals? By the average solve rate.
Oh, average solve rate? No, it's not interesting.
Fine,
Oh, what's interesting?
geometry should be the hardest.
Okay.
By the solve rate.
Yeah,
Yes.
by the solve. Which are hard.
I guess
Let's put hard at the top.
hard graph ones. Maybe.
Very difficult probability theory. Second class.
Because no one basically solved it. The interactive ones are by
It was pretty difficult as well.
by the solve rate. So difficult.
Maybe.
Yeah, implementation also should count.
Implementation, yeah.
They come together.
Yeah.
These two.
Yeah. Okay. Which ones are the easiest?
What are the easiest topics?
The easiest ones. I guess greedy sounds easy.
Yeah, you just do greedy.
Right. Just like brute force, okay.
No, there was no combinatorics at all, so I think it's the easiest.
Everybody solved it, but no
Well-
team solved the problem.
Okay, yeah, I think this is a decent guess. In general, we like collected the data a little bit, and combinatorics indeed is not very popular, right? So I think only like couple problems could be like named like called combinatorics, but it's not usually very easy, I would say. Yeah, hard problems are obviously geometry. We can even you have some answers. Okay, cool. So we have some answers. Interactive is actually we only had one problem. Interactive, so it was very hard. Yeah. Well, okay, only one. Okay, I love to hear that. We only had one team who solved it.
I remember.
Yeah. And then also from harder, easy topics, we have greedy. It's correct.
Of course.
We have like strings, game theory, implementation. So implementation, actually, we have a lot of like easy implementation problems, like where you don't have any.
Because there is no other idea, it's
Yeah,
counted as implementation problem. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So and then the hard ones are geometry, data structures, brewers. Yeah. So anyway.
I think we're quite good at all the topics you named as hard. So
That's very good. I think you have a very good chance then. Okay. So any final words to the fans?
do we have fans?
Of course. Everyone's cheering.
Thank you for your support.
Okay, that's very sweet. Good luck in the contest, and I hope you achieve your goal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, live stream,
Morning.
and welcome. We have Harbour.Space University here, and they're here for a game show. It's the first time I've ever done the game show. I don't know if it's the first time it's been done, but here's how it works. We have 16 shuffled coding problem categories here. The first one is interactive. So, what we have to do is we have to take the 3 members of this Harbour.Space team. We'll write your names here. We got Yahor. Butter. And Sergey. And what you guys need to do is decide which of you will solve this problem. Now, you want to do it to your strengths, but there's a catch. The catch is you each only get to work on 4 problems. You have walkie-talkie here. There you go. Emergency. You each get to solve at most 4 problems of the 12 problems that are seen. So don't oversubscribe yourself, truly. Yahor, you're working the first one, interactive? Sergey, all right. We got a math. Maybe some FFT here.
Maybe me. Or 15. Should we discuss? Or like,
Yeah, you can discuss.
Okay. Strings, geometry. Okay, let's also do Sergey.
Sergey as well.
Solve everything, basically.
All right. We have a string theory problem.
That's me.
Yahor, all right, here we go. DP. Classic.
Butter.
Butter, all right. Tree problem.
Butter.
Butter. Maybe a tree DP. Implementation. Not necessarily an easy implementation, though.
Butter.
All right. We got flows and matching.
Me.
All right. Combinatorics.
Sergey.
Now keep in mind here, we have 16 categories, but you only get 12 problems. So there's a good chance Geo doesn't show up. Just so you're aware. All right, divide and conquer.
Butter.
So butter's done. You guys aren't gonna like this one though.
Okay.
It's the Geo.
Me. Yeah, you can
Reluctantly.
from the like that they don't love me a lot.
All right, nice easy graph theory. Butter's full though. Can't take it with the trees. Sergey? All right. And finally, we have our DS. Treeps.
Can we ask 5 for butter, please?
No, unfortunately, looks like it's going to her.
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
The worst case.
What's your favorite data structure?
Mine?
Yeah.
Bit set.
Bitset, classic.
Obviously.
Yep. Divide by 64, speed up. What's your fastest
Fastest
data structure?
bit set.
BTLE, bitset.
Obviously.
You're doing n squared over 64 instead of n log n
Yes.
with your binary index tree.
Yes.
All right, it works. What do you think of this distribution? Solid? You'd be happy with it?
I would do some swaps, like data
Yeah.
structures should obviously do to bar. Maybe swap with dynamic programming.
Okay.
And yeah.
And you'd swap the, oh my goodness, swap the geometry with one of the ones within the pile here?
If it's
The
possible.
next one was game theory. Isn't that sad? Everyone loves game theory.
It's Sergey probably.
Sergey?
Yeah.
Doesn't fit well.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for playing. We have a second game for you that was helped. The creation of this was helped with by Tourist and Andrew He, Ekranwala. The question we need you guys to answer: of these 16 categories, what are the 3 easiest? And easy is defined by highest solve rate among all World Finals problems. So if you take like the number of teams that solved that problem, you average them among all of the problems that were of that category. What are the 3 easiest categories? The 3 ones with the highest solve rate.
Greedy.
Greedy, okay.
Strength.
20. 21. These problems always things.
Okay. Probably strings.
Strings.
Brute force. No.
Important.
You guys are 2 for 2 here. Easiest and second easiest, actually.
Okay.
So well done.
Is a brute force? No?
It's usually brute force minus very hard.
Okay.
Implementation, I believe. Implementation.
Implementation? No. Maybe graph theory? No?
Graph theory it's 5th, so it's solid. It's solid. You want to hear the correct answer? What we're looking for? Believe it or not, where is it? Game theory.
Ah,
3rd easiest.
okay.
Yeah. You want to know the hardest by far?
Geometry. Implementation?
Has a solve rate of 0.85%.
Interactive. Maybe there were very few interactive problems.
Yes,
Like
there has been in the
only-
history of all World Finals 1 interactive problem.
Okay.
And it was solved by 1 team.
Only team, I believe.
So there you go. That's the hardest and easiest categories. Thank you guys for playing.
Yeah.
Good luck in the contest. Anything you want to say to your coach, people watching at home?
I'm not sure that you watch it, but if you watch it, please root for us. So yeah.
Well, the people who see this will be watching, surely.
Yeah.
Of the ones you're talking to. Thank you.
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Any advice for future teams?
Practice geometry, I guess.
There you go. I love it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Hello, we are in Luxor in front of the ICPC registration area. We have another team here. Welcome. Where are you guys from, and what are your names?
I'm from China. My name is Shang Zhou.
I'm from Poland. My name is Stan.
From China as well. My name is Zahan.
From Canada. My name is Thomas.
So what's the university you represent?
University of California, San Diego.
So, and you have 3 contestants and the coach here? Okay. Have you arrived, how recently have you arrived, and how was the trip?
We arrived 6, 7 a.m. and the trip was very long. We have 9 hours of time zone and we are pretty tired. But we're here, our luggage is here, so we're happy.
Okay, that's the main thing. But have you had rest, or are you gonna sleep for long? Like, what is your plan to prepare for the contest?
We did not sleep at all, so we can sleep now, and luckily our bodies will treat this as the sleep time, not the nap time. So wish us luck with the sleeping schedule.
Okay, sounds good. What do you feel about the upcoming contest? What are your expectations? How prepared do you feel?
I think we're pretty prepared. We were doing pretty good on our practices, so it will be what it will be, but we're having our hopes high.
Sounds great. What else? What have your preparation been? What did you do? Like, what kind of contest? Did you do some past world finals? Did you do some other contests? How often did you practice?
I'll leave the answer to Shang. He was preparing the contest for us.
We prepare on average twice a week, and we practice all the past world finals, and it's on average number 13th, which is not that good.
Like 13th place, you mean?
Yes. On average.
So are you hoping to get top 12 and beat your average?
Yes, just beat the average and it will be good.
Just above average is going to be good. Okay, sounds good, sounds good. Which world finals are you in? So we know we have 2 world finals, right?
47th.
You're 47th. Okay. But we have 2 different finals, and we have 2 different sets of contestants, obviously, right? Which final do you think is stronger?
Definitely the 46th world finals.
So you feel good about your chances in the 47th final?
Yes.
Yes.
What's that? Why? Why do you think so? Yeah. Sure.
I think most contestants qualified for both these 2 years goes to the first year, and they are. No, okay.
Statistically, though.
If somebody qualified for both, they're pretty strong. So if we can get them out of our world finals, more medal spots for us.
Okay. Sounds good. Anything else you want to say to the fans, anyone watching the live stream, or to yourself in the future, so that when you watch this interview, you feel good?
I feel it's a lot of nerves, but it's a super cool competition, and I'm super hyped to take part. So, like, after all the emotions are down, I think it's a great adventure and some fun competition to compete in.
Okay, good luck and hope you have fun during the contest. And yeah, best of luck again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.